Hi, I'm Dr. Glenn O'Neill and I'm here to present you a new evaluation course called Communications for Evaluation. So, you may ask yourself, well, why is communications important for evaluation? Well, studies and practice show that for an evaluation to be successful, communication plays a key role, both before the evaluation, during the evaluation and after the evaluation, particularly to communicate evaluation findings to stakeholders. I bring some 25 years of experience as a communicator and evaluator. So with the students, I share my experience and know-how in this area. This is a self-paced course where you go at your own rhythm. It includes reading, presentations, video, exercises, case studies and quizzes. This course is split into two parts. The first part is on effective and creative evaluation report writing, and the second part is on integrating communications across the evaluation process. Now, when we think about, okay, well, what can I get out of this course? What's going to be the key learning? I would really highlight 3 points. I think firstly, you'll understand, well, how communications can be integrated and support the evaluation process. Secondly, you'll learn about the key activities and tactics of communications to support an evaluation. And lastly, you'll learn and understand how to put together high-quality evaluation reports. So I'd really like to welcome you and encourage you to join me for this e-learning course on communication for evaluation.